Eighth question. Eighth question in your notes. In your notes. I will read the problem once. This problem belongs to custom duty, 24 marks. A Beach Limited imported a machine from Europe. From the following information, determine custom duty payable. Cost of machine 25,000 euros, but does not include following. The importer sends the goods to the exporter for the machine. It was used in the manufacturing the machine, rupees 1 lakh. Design and development expenses incurred outside India, 5,000 euros. Technical fees paid to the exporter after import of machine, 4,000 euros. Installation charges of machine in the factory, 50,000. Packing charges, 500 euros. Insurance premium paid in India, 500 euros. Transportation charges, 1,000 euros. Transportation and insurance charges from port to the factory, 10,000. Rate of basic custom duty, 12.5%. GST, 28%. Compensation cess, 20%. Exchange rate declared by board, 74 per euro. Exchange rate declared by RBI, 72. This is your question. For this particular problem, you are supposed to calculate what is the custom duty payable. At the same time, you are supposed to find out what is the assessable value. Now, statement showing assessable value. Statement showing assessable value. Statement showing assessable value. Now, in this particular problem, I will start one by one transactions. There are lots of transactions. I will start from beginning. The first transaction here is cost of the machine. Yes, you are supposed to take cost of the machine. Cost of machine, 25,000 euros. 25,000 into exchange rate. In this particular problem, last two items. Exchange rate declared by board, 74. Exchange rate declared by RBI, 72. In such case, you are supposed to take board. Exchange rate declared by board, but not RBI. So board you are supposed to take 74 rupees. Multiply that. That will be 18,50,000. Add one by one now for this. The importer sends the goods to the exporter for the machine. Second item of machine. Here what happened in this particular case, importer sends the goods to the exporter. I told you while talking about the theory, if anything which is given by the importer to the exporter, importer to the exporter, we are supposed to take. It was used for the manufacturing machine. It was used for manufacturing machines. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂಡ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. What I'm telling is right or wrong? So that is the reason. What you are supposed to do here is you are supposed to take this. So write down design and development charges. Design and development charge should be, which is given in rupees. Yes, we can take directly. No need to multiply. If it is in pound, you are supposed to multiply. Euro. Next one, design and development charges incurred outside India, 5,000 euros. One minute, I made a mistake here. It is not a development, it is a material supply. Sorry, material supply. Second one is design and development charges. Design and development charges. Design and development charges incurred outside India. Yes, if any design charges is given, you're supposed to take 5,000 euros. So 5,000 into 74. 5,000 into 74 should be 3,70,000. 3,70,000. The next one is here is technical fees paid by the exporter after importing mission. Try to understand here. Technical fees paid by the exporter after importing mission. But one thing keep in mind, after importing mission means you should not take. Before the import only that should get happen. Once which is imported, then if anything incurred, that should not be taken into consideration. Try to understand while reading the problem, you should be very, very careful. Technical fees, yes, you are supposed to take. But which is happened after import. That means which has happened in India. So you should not take. Otherwise, you are supposed to take. Next one, installation charges of the mission in a factory, 50,000. Yes, installation charges is also one of the important expenses which is incurred. But where we will do the installation? In India, we are imported. Yes or no? Once which is imported, where we will do the installation? India. ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ? In India. In India ಆದರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. In this particular transaction which is not clearly mentioned where they are installed, but we know that we are imported. Yes or no? If you are imported, then that mission will be installed in where? In India only. So the expenses which is incurred in India, that should not be taken. Thereafter, packing charges, 500 euros. Yes, you're supposed to take. Without the packing, we can't possible to import or we can't possible to export. You should take packing charges. 500 euros. 500 into 74. 500 into 74 to be 37,000. Thereafter, transportation charges, 1,000 euros. Transportation charges, 1,000 euros. Try to understand here. Transportation charge you are supposed to take. But not here. After some insurance and transportation charges to be taken together. Should be taken together. That should be taken, no doubt, but that should be taken afterwards. Insurance premium paid in India should be taken after some times. Transportation and insurance charges from port to the factory. In previous case, which is not mentioned, but here clearly mentioned. From port to the factory. Port to the factory and the end. What it means? This has happened in India. India that happened in the port to the factory. We are imported. We are the importer. So that imported product which is there in harbor, yes or no? Allinda ellige to the factory, which is happening in India. That should not be taken. Thereafter, rate of basic custom duty. That's all. Everything is over. Do the total. Put it out of column. Total should be. How much is that total? 3,470. 5,07,000. Do the total of this. This should be 23,57,000. For this, we are supposed to add transportation charge. Transportation charge. What is the transportation charge here is 1,000 euros. There are two transportation charges here. Transportation charges 1,000 euros. Second one, transportation insurance charges from factory to port to the factory. That should not be taken. The first one should take transportation charges 1,000 euro. 1,000 into 74 should be 74,000. And one more thing we are supposed to take insurance. Insurance here is 500 euros. That means 500 into 74 should be 37,000. That's all. Nothing else. Do the total of this. Put it out of column. The total should be the accessible value 24,68,000. 24,68,000 is the accessible value. Now, accessible value. Thereafter, we are supposed to go for calculation of duty paid. Statement showing duty paid. Statement showing duty paid. Duty paid. Now, first we are supposed to do, what we are supposed to do here is we should write accessible value. What is the accessible value found here? 24,68,000. And first one here, rate of basic custom duty is given. So BCD, which is 12.5%. 24,68,000 into 12.5 divided by 100 should be 3,08,500. 3,08,500. If there is a BCD, we are supposed to give, forced to give, even though it is not mentioned in the problem, we are supposed to give social welfare surcharge. Social welfare surcharge. Social welfare surcharge 10% on this. 3,08,500 into 10% should be 30,850. Is always from BCD. Always from BCD. Nothing. There is no anti-dumping duty and all. That's all. Do the total. Put it out of column. Should be do the total of this. The total should be 3,39,350. For this, add IGST, which is clearly mentioned in this problem, 28% on this. 3,39,350 into 28 by 100. 28 by 100. Students, I made a mistake here. This total should be, not previously I done a mistake. Total should be 28,07,350 into 28%. Into 28% should be 78. 6058. That means 7,86,058. Then in this particular problem, one more extra is that compensation cess. Compensation cess. So compensation cess. Compensation cess. Here is 20% on this only same. 28,07,350 into 20% should be 5,61,470. Do the total and put it out of column. Do the total and put it out of column. $13,47,528. Do the total of both the column. This column total should be 16,86,878, and this column total should be 41,54,878. This is the way we are supposed to find the custom duty.